Good morning, good afternoon, good night to the greatest advisory class at Poe Middle School. That's right, that's my class. We are the winners of the Decorate Your Christmas Door contest. No, it was Decorate Your Door for Fall. Anyway, guys, I'm leaving this video for you here on our Google Classroom. I will not be in on Wednesday, January 27th. I will be getting my COVID shot. So I'll be going over to Inova, Fairfax, where I was born, to get my COVID shot on Wednesday morning. It should be done by the time advisory class rolls around, but I didn't want to push it, so I just took off. You got a very simple assignment today. Please fill out the attendance form. That is the same form that you fill out anytime that I've not been here, and I've been out a couple times, so you guys should be pros at this. All right, so what do you do after that? Work your way down the assignments for our class, any that you may have missed, like the second quarter academic check-in, your New Year's resolution document. All right, those are easy. Make sure that your scheduler is filled out. If none of your classes change, then all you have to do is copy and paste the documents from first semester to second semester, and it's no big deal. If some of your classes did change, please go to your mail to check to make sure you have the new links. All right. Then I will see you on Friday. Okay. Hope you guys are safe. Hope you're well. Bye.